Oh, Karibu.
Mama Naj.
How are you?
I'm okay.
Here are your bananas.
Are they good?
Very, very good. But oh, Karibu, you are always buying bananas. Have you updated yourself? Like you updated your stomach?
Myself.
Hey.
Mama Naj.
Look at this.
My balance.
Your balance. Mama Naj to give you the balance. That is a criminal.
You can register as a voter or check.
Rukia, did you hear?
What?
Vote update is happening. If you don't register, who will vote for your honorable? Rastad.
Zara, did you send that report?
I forwarded your email this morning.
Peter, can you imagine? I just verified my voter's details online. I just verified my voter's details online, and it's as easy as sending a WhatsApp message.
Online?
Yes.
Show me.
Uganda, your vote is your voice, and every voice matters. From 20th January to 10th February 2025, you can register as a voter or check to update your voter details. Visit our update center within your parish. Call 0800-200-071 or visit www.ec.
People power, our power, NUP, everywhere. Thank you. Mr. President, Your Excellency, Mr. President, Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, our Secretary General, people power, Ra. Your Excellency, Mr. President Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, your deputies, the Secretary General and his deputy, the leaders of NEC, members of Parliament, dear leaders on all levels, people power, people power, our power, people power, our power. Basebo ne banyabo. People power, our power. Your Excellency the President, dear your deputies, our Secretary General, the entire leadership of the party, my colleagues, comrades, dear contenders, dear brothers who are here with whom have been contesting for this ticket, I've not forgotten members of Parliament, the foot soldiers, the people of Kawempe North constituency. Ladies and gentlemen, I observe protocol. Greetings to you all. I wish to express my heartfelt appreciation to the National Unity Platform for placing trust in me to be the flag bearer and all candidate in the forthcoming Kawempe North by-election. Mr. President, to my fellow aspirants who stood in the race with passion and integrity. Your dedication has strengthened our party. I also wish to thank the party under the leadership of His Excellency President Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu and the Election Management Committee for conducting this unique and historical exercise. My family, our supporters, well-wishers, and the people of Kawempe North who have walked this journey with us, sincerely, your belief in our mission propels our determination. While many of you might see this as an opportunity, for me, it is a challenge to serve, a challenge to represent and stand with the people of Kawempe North and the majority of Ugandans facing the wrath of General Museveni's 39 years of misrule and dictatorship. Dear President, comrades, this is not a privilege, but rather a trial. It is demonstrated in 3 ways, Mr. President. First, it is a trial to enhance our unity as a party, embody our brand as the National Unity Platform, and walk the values we preach. The vetting process has been intense to us, the contestants, and even amongst you, our supporters. I believe everybody here and out there had a candidate and wished him to win this ticket. I must play a fundamental role in working with them to face our adversaries as a unified force. United we stand, divided we fall, ladies and gentlemen.
Njagala okubayozaayoza mwenna aba National Unity Platform okutuuka ku kkula lino. Njagala okuyozaayoza mwenna abeesimbayo, abeesowolayo okuvuganya okutukiikirira mweno campaign egenda okubaawo e Kawempe North. Njagala okubeebaza olw'okwoleka empisa n'obuntu bulamu n'obukulu mu bwongo bye mwolesezza. Temulabye mbasebo ne banyabo kuwemula, temulabyemu kulangiragana, temulabyemu kuvumagana, temulabyemu kweswaza. Eyo gye bayita National Unity Platform. Mwebale nnyo, mwebalire ddala. Mubadde abantu 10 abavuganya ate nga mwenna muli balungi. Mwenna era mutukoze bulungi nnyo. Bangi batusanyusizza, bangi batukaabizza, bangi batukutte ku mitima. Byonna bibadde mu kaweefube ono okunoonya candidate. Nakyogeddeko era kankiddemu nti mu process eno waliwo ebintu ebibaddewo nze ebinkutteko ennyo ne binzijukiza ffe baani, naye ate ne bindaga nti muffe mulimu abaategerera ddala ki kye tuli. Mu ngeri ey'enjawulo njagala okwebaza Comrade Magala olw'obuntu bulamu. Na mwenna si nti obadde wa njawulo ku balala, naye olaze ekifaananyi ekyebyo bye tukkiririzaamu. Bannange buli omu abadde ne gwawagira, kuviira ddala ku ba foot soldiers paka kwabo abatuula mu NEC. Era nga tuba tunyumya, ono ng'ali ku sayidi eno, ono ng'ali ku sayidi ndala, naye nga ffenna tuli ba NUP. Wabaddeyo eyo ababadde bawagira ennyo Nsereko Moses nga bamufiirako kubanga balina gwe badde baagala okuba ebikonde. Waliyo abalala nga bagamba kakiika kadi agiri bukiika. Waliyo abalala ng'omusanga nga yagamba nze saagala balala njagala magala. Naye olwaleero akakiiko kaffe ak'ebyokulonda katulaze nti ebyannaggwano ajja okubikola ye Nalukoola. Sebo kandideeti waffe omulungi, twagala okuyozaayoza, yogayoga nnyo ssebo. Sebo nga tukwasa flag yaffe tukwinamu obwesige nga bwe tulina mu bannaffe abalala. Naye okunoonyereza kwonna kutulaze tulina enkizo ku banno. Tukwinamu obwesige, twesiga nnyo omutwe gwo, twesiga n'omutima gwo. Naye kitukoze bulungi nnyo ate n'otugamba tukulabire ku bikolwa byo. Seba amaaso n'abatalina galubindi tugenda zifuna. Tukwetegereze bulungi, tukuyigireko, naffe tufuuke bannaggwano. Nze ng'omuntu kumanyidde emyaka mingi. Tuviira ddala mu gya 9. Manyi nti wali musajja muyimbi nga bakuyita Dr. Dandi. Njagala okukusaba oyo omuyimbi owedda omukukunuleyo naye omuteeke mu reesi. Otukulembere, tugenda kuwagira, tugenda kusudia, tugenda kugoberera, tugenda kusitula ebigambo byonna by'otugamba. Tulina essuubi nti togenda tuswaza, tulina essuubi nti ogenda tuleetera obuwanguzi. Tusaba Allah kulembere, akuwa amaanyi, akuwa ekisa, akuwa obukuumi, akuwa obugumu. Zino tetugenda mu campaign, tugenda mu lutalo. Zino tetugenda mu campaign, tugenda mu ki? Tugenda mu lutalo. Eno sampo 2026 tandikira Kawempe. Kyetwagala sijja sibwa MP bwe Kawempe kuba obwo twabuwangula dda, tugenda buddamu buzimvunula bibya. Twagala bukozesa nga seppulingi gye tuyimirirako okunonayo entebe yaffe ennene gye babba nawe gyoyogeddeko. N'olw'ensonga eyo ssebo nga tunona kano akatebe akatono ak'e Kawempe kenkakasa nti Katonda agenda tusaasira tukaleete, twagala tukakozese nga okusondalo oba okusonda obusungu okunona entebe yaffe ennene. N'ebigambo ebyo njagala okuyita Deputy President wa Buganda Region Mobilization Secretary sebo nawe osembere wano ne ba deputies bo bakwase omulwanyi basindike mu lutabaalo. Mukama abankumire mwebale nnyo mwebali eddala kumpuliriza. Kawempe kunga! Kunga Kawempe kunga! Thank you very much, comrades. I'm going to be very brief. I want to congratulate you, Comrade Nalukoola, upon your well-deserved victory. I want to appreciate all the contenders. You exhibited the highest level of morality. I mentioned it on the day of the debate that there are moments that personally touched me. Moments of humility, moments of extreme decency, and I must commend you for that. In a very special way, I want to salute Comrade Magala for the humility. Not that other people were any less humble, but you represented the humility that we stand for. I salute you for that. Friends, everybody had a candidate. Everyone had a candidate that they support. Everybody had a view. Everybody had an opinion. From the foot soldiers to the highest rank in the party. But we all agreed that the best person has to take it. Integrity is one of our core values, and we hold it in high regard. We don't just want to talk about it, we want to practice it. I want to salute our Election Management Committee for a job well done. Thank you very much. To the entire National Unity Platform, you have taken the current regime to school. You have taught them the real meaning of democracy. And this is a democracy that we are practicing even when we are under duress, even when we are not allowed to do what we believe can cut us out as the leadership of the new Uganda that we tell you about every day. Now that we are here, now that we have a candidate, number one, I want to salute, while I salute the contenders, I want to request you, to invite you to practice continuously the values that we've been standing for. Like we all agree, it was a competition. Let the winner be our candidate. Let us all stand behind the winner. Let us do what we're expected to do so that we can be the party that people believe we are. We are going to Kawempe. I told you on the day of the debate that in Chadondo we were not a party. But because of the power of the people, we won the election with 80%. We don't want 80% in Kawempe. We want 90%. And for us to get 90%, everybody has got to play a role. From the candidates, from the contenders, to the leadership, and finally to the people of Kawempe. The people of Kawempe are waiting for us. As you could see, from number 1 to number 10, they were all NUP candidates. They were all NUP members. Now we have one. Let us beat them in the same way the world expects us to beat them. Let us go and get 90%. So with that,